Hi and welcome. Today I'm in Bellagio, possibly Italy's most beautiful village. It's a really nice sunny day today and we're going to do a bit of a walking tour through the village. Let's check it out.
Hi and welcome to Bellagio, often called the Pearl of Lake Como. A picturesque town nestled between the lake's two arms where every street feels like a story and every view is a masterpiece. If you've ever seen a postcard of Lake Como, chances are Bellagio was featured. Known for its winding cobblestone streets, vibrant gardens and jaw-dropping views, this charming village is the perfect place to experience the essence of the Italian lakes. In this video, I'm going to take you on a walking tour of Bellagio, showing you the top sites, hidden gems and everything you need to know to make the most of your visit. Whether you're here for the breathtaking views, charming cobblestone alleys, eclectic shops, or just to take in a break by the lake, Bellagio has something for everyone. Let's check out Bellagio. Let's begin with the very first impression you'll have when you arrive in Bellagio, the view. This town sits at a special place at the intersection of the lake's two branches, so no matter where you are, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas of crystal clear waters framed by the surrounding mountains. It's the kind of beauty that immediately makes you pause and take a deep breath. When you first step off the ferry pier, you're immediately met with Bellagio's welcoming atmosphere. The waterfront is lined with colorful buildings, little cafes, and bustling boutiques. It's a great spot to start your exploration of the town. I recommend heading towards the Piazza Giuseppe Mazzini, Bellagio's main square. Here you'll find a collection of vibrant shops, restaurants and art galleries. Whether you're in the mood to browse through locally made goods or simply enjoy the view from one of the outdoor terraces, this square captures the heart of the town's relaxed pace of life. One of the most charming things about Bellagio is its historic center, with its winding alleys and hidden courtyards. One can spend hours just wandering through the streets, discovering little art shops and boutiques selling handmade crafts, jewelry and silk scarves. Bellagio is particularly known for its high-quality silk production, so keep an eye out for scarves and accessories that make perfect souvenirs. make sure to not rush through Bellagio. The beauty of this town lies in its details. Whether it's a charming flower-filled balcony, a vintage shop tucked away in a corner, or a statue in one of the quiet piazzas. Take your time, let the town reveal itself slowly, and enjoy the serenity of its narrow lanes, often alive with the chatter of locals and the occasional breeze of the lake.
These are great little shops here. Of course, Italian shoes. You can find lots of here. And lots of little cute restaurants. Shop they have handmade leather items like bags and shoes and belts. They're all handmade here in Bellagio. And I'm now making my way up those stairs to the main shopping street of Bellagio. And you find lots of these little alleys that take you through the village. A typical meal here for Italian dishes, as you can see on the menu, is about 11 to 13 euros for a pasta dish. So it's just great to stroll through here and explore. Just soak in the atmosphere. I love the old houses. They're well maintained, and each one of them contains a really nice little shop. It's still morning time, so it's not too crowded yet. I'm now going to make my way to the large square where the church is situated.
For a deeper connection with the town's history, don't miss the Chiesa di San Giacomo, a 13th century church located in the heart of Bellagio's historic center. This Romanesque church is a peaceful retreat with a simple yet beautiful interior adorned with frescoes and stone carvings. the church offers a quiet moment to reflect and appreciate Bellagio's rich cultural heritage.
Just a beautiful view. As you can see, very quiet today. Bellagio clearly caters to the tourists here, but it's really well done. Beautiful old hotels, restaurants, cafes, bistros. Just like the one behind me. And it's got that Italian charm that you see on the postcards, really. And everywhere you look could be the next beautiful postcard shot. So if you want to take a beautiful walk here, I definitely recommend coming here to the Promenade here at the shore in Bellagio. Look at those flowers. It's really beautiful. And they smell really nice too. Fortunately, you can't smell those in the video, but take my word for it.
As you walk around the town, one of the things that truly stand out is Bellagio's incredible location. From nearly every corner, you can look out over the crystal clear waters of Lake Como with its serene beauty framed by the majestic Alps. There's something mesmerizing about the way the light shifts on the water, particularly at sunset. Whether you're sitting at a lakeside cafe or simply strolling along the promenade, the views here are simply breathtaking.
And while you are in Bellagio, definitely also try to do a boat tour. You can take the boat from Como to Bellagio, but that's quite a long journey. They even have a ferry boat, so from Bellagio you can cross the lake and they take the car with them to the other side of the shore, and that saves you a lot of time if you want to explore other little towns and villages on the other side of the lake. You don't have to go all around the lake.
Bellagio's location also makes it the perfect base for exploring the rest of Lake Como. The ferry pier, where you'll arrive, is the main transport hub. From here, you can take frequent ferries to nearby towns like Varena, Menaggio, and even Como. The ferries provide a unique perspective of the lake, offering up stunning views of the surrounding hills and lakeside villas as you glide across the water.
So Bellagio is definitely a place worth visiting. If you come to Como, it's about a 1-hour drive from Como, and the drive itself is spectacular. If you get a chance, definitely go there by car. And Promenade itself is just a beautiful thing to do. If you come from Milan airport, the drive is probably around 2 hours. The view here is just stunning. Check that out. I mean, can't get nicer than that. So I'll let you be the judge. Is that the most beautiful village in Italy? I think it's definitely high up there. And I hope you'll be able to come here. Bellagio is definitely worth a visit.
Bellagio is the kind of place that stays with you long after you've left. From its stunning views and tranquil atmosphere to its rich history, charming streets, and welcoming locals, it's a town that truly captures the essence of Lake Como. From here, I will head over to the other side of Lake Como, but that will be the story of another video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. And please make sure to also check out my many other travel videos and guides to the most fascinating travel destinations in Italy and beyond. Have a good one. Bye bye.